We have a really nice sage plant here, and sage has such large leaves. It's one of the only herbs that have these really large, fleshy, thick leaves. So we're going to dry it a little bit differently than some of the other herbs that you can bundle together with a rubber band. So because it has such thick leaves, we're going to get a branch, and we're going to, and of course this is dirty, so we need to probably wash those off. So I'm going to, all in my pan, I'm going to use some of these upper leaves for what we're wanting to demonstrate. But so you take the individual leaves, pinch them off, and then put them in a cookie sheet with like a paper towel or some kind of newspaper or some other absorbent paper. And this works really, really well for sage because it is so very thick. So then you can put your tray in a hot, dark room or closet or up in the attic or somewhere, and then you need a bigger cookie tray probably than this one. But this works really well for sage. After a few days in a hot, dry, and dark place, these sage leaves are ready to go to the next step and get them stored. Now, I brought some of sage leaves that I had from last year, and they're still very pungent. And the trick is that you don't crumble the leaves. You keep them whole. And I'm going to pinch these stems off because they just take up space that's could be used for the leaves. So I just put them in a little jar, a little decorative jar of some sort, and then I usually label them with the name of the herb and the year, so that I know after a while, I need to start eating them up pretty quick, because I would say a year for most of these herbs. Some of them last longer. Sage will keep its flavor for a long, long time. So, there we go, nice little jar. Keep it airtight, put it in a place out of the sun, and preferably cool and dark.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.